Bedtime snacks that restore night vision after age 60. If driving at night has become stressful because streetlights look blurry, if you struggle to see clearly when you get up in the dark, and if you worry about your independence as your night vision gets worse, you are not alone. Tonight, I will share 4 simple bedtime snacks that can help protect your aging eyes and improve your vision in low light, plus 2 important habits that could save your sight. Before we start, tell me in the comments which city and country you are watching from. I read every comment and love knowing where you are joining us from. What I am about to share comes from understanding how inflammation and oxidative stress damage our eyes as we age, and how the right nutrients can actually help repair this damage. The third snack on my list is something many people avoid because they think it is too sweet, but it contains compounds that work specifically to protect your cornea and help you see better in dim light. Snack number 1. Sunflower seeds. Let me start with something you can grab right now from your pantry. Sunflower seeds might seem like just a simple snack, but for your eyes, they are like tiny powerhouses working overnight to repair damage from the day. Here is why they work so well. Sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, one of the most powerful antioxidants for protecting the delicate tissues in your eyes. They also contain selenium and zinc, 2 minerals that help transport vitamin A directly to your retina, where you need it most for clear night vision. The practical way to use them is simple. About an hour before bed, eat just a small handful, roughly 2 tablespoons. You can sprinkle them on plain yogurt, which we will talk about next, or eat them on their own. If you have trouble chewing hard seeds, look for whole sunflower seeds, which are softer, or you can even find sunflower seed butter in most grocery stores. One caution here. If you take blood-thinning medications, start with just 1 tablespoon. And check with your doctor because vitamin E can enhance the effects of these medications. For most people, though, this small amount is perfectly safe and incredibly beneficial. Margaret from Ohio wrote to me last month saying that after 3 weeks of eating sunflower seeds before bed, she noticed she could see the numbers on her alarm clock much more clearly when she woke up during the night. These small changes add up to big improvements in your daily life. Snack number 2, plain Greek yogurt. Now, if sunflower seeds help protect your eyes from oxidative damage, this next food works to reduce the inflammation that clouds your night vision in the first place. Plain Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, which might surprise you because we usually think of probiotics for digestion. But research shows that inflammation in your gut directly affects inflammation in your eyes. When you reduce one, you help reduce the other. Greek yogurt also provides vitamin A, calcium, and zinc. Vitamin A is essential for the health of your retina and cornea, the parts of your eye that help you adjust to different light levels. The calcium and zinc work together to support the tiny muscles that control how much light enters your eye. The best way to use Greek yogurt is to have about half a cup an hour before bedtime. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid blood sugar spikes that can affect your sleep. If plain yogurt is too tart for you, add a small drizzle of honey or mix in some of those sunflower seeds I mentioned earlier. If you are lactose intolerant, look for lactose-free Greek yogurt, or try plant-based alternatives made from almonds or coconut, though these will have less protein. The key is consistency, eating this regularly rather than occasionally. Robert, a 68-year-old from Canada, told me that combining Greek yogurt with sunflower seeds became his favorite evening routine, and within a month he felt more confident, walking to his kitchen at night without turning on all the lights. Snack number 3, dates. Here is the sweet option I mentioned earlier that many people avoid, but it might be exactly what your eyes need to repair themselves overnight. Dates contain natural compounds called polyphenols that work like internal bodyguards for your eyes, fighting off the inflammation that makes night vision blurry. They are also rich in vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These last 2 are yellow pigments that accumulate in your retina and act like natural sunglasses, protecting your eyes from damage and helping you see better in low-light conditions. The beauty of dates is that they also contain natural sugars that help your brain produce serotonin, which converts to melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep deeply. Deep sleep is when most eye repair happens. For the best results, eat 2 or 3 small dates like medjool or deglet noor about 30 minutes before bed. You can stuff them with a small amount of almond butter for extra vitamin E or chop them up and mix them into your Greek yogurt. One important note for people with diabetes. Dates are naturally high in sugar, so if you monitor your blood glucose, have just 1 date and check how it affects your levels. You can also pair dates with a small amount of nuts or seeds to slow down sugar absorption. Linda from Texas shared that she was skeptical about dates because of the sugar content, but after trying just 1 date with almond butter each night, she noticed her eyes felt less dry in the morning, and she could navigate her hallway at night more easily. Snack number 4. Banana. The final food might be sitting in your fruit bowl right now, and it works in a completely different way than the others. While the previous foods focus on providing antioxidants and reducing inflammation, bananas help regulate the pressure inside your eyes, which is crucial for clear vision. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that helps control fluid balance throughout your body, including the delicate fluid balance in your eyes. When intraocular pressure, the pressure inside your eye, gets too high, it can damage the optic nerve and blur your vision, especially at night. Bananas also contain tryptophan, the same compound found in turkey that makes you sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner. Tryptophan helps your body produce melatonin naturally, which not only improves your sleep quality, but also supports the overnight repair processes in your eyes. The ideal timing is to eat 1 medium banana about 45 minutes before bed. If you find whole bananas too filling before sleep, try half a banana sliced into your Greek yogurt, or mash half a banana with a tablespoon of sunflower seeds for a complete eye-healthy bedtime snack. People taking certain blood pressure medications should be mindful of their potassium intake, so if you take ACE inhibitors or have kidney concerns, check with your healthcare provider about adding more potassium-rich foods to your diet. James from Florida, who is 72, told me that adding a banana to his evening routine not only helped his night vision, but also reduced the leg cramps that used to wake him up, because potassium helps with muscle function too. Important habit 1. Sunglasses protection. Now, while these foods work to repair your eyes from the inside, there are 2 crucial habits that protect them from the outside, and the first one happens during the day. Wearing proper sunglasses whenever you are in bright sunlight is not just about comfort. It is about preventing the cumulative damage that worsens night vision over time. UV radiation creates oxidative stress in your eyes, the same kind of damage that makes it harder to see in low light as you get older. Look for sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays. The darkness of the lenses does not matter as much as the UV protection, so even light-colored lenses can be effective if they have the right coating. Wraparound styles offer the best protection because they prevent light from entering around the sides. Wear them even on cloudy days because UV rays penetrate clouds, and especially when you are near water, sand, or snow, which reflect additional UV radiation toward your eyes. If you wear prescription glasses, consider getting prescription sunglasses or clip-on UV protection. Important habit 2. Avoiding medicated eye drops. The second protective habit is being cautious about over-the-counter eye drops, especially those that promise to reduce redness or provide long-lasting moisture with medication-like ingredients. Many commercial eye drops contain vasoconstrictors, which temporarily tighten blood vessels to reduce redness, but with regular use, they can actually make your eyes more irritated and dry. Others contain preservatives that can damage the surface of your eye over time, making night vision problems worse. If your eyes feel dry or irritated regularly, start with preservative-free artificial tears and use them sparingly. More importantly, talk to your eye doctor about the underlying cause of your symptoms rather than just treating them with drops. The exception is if your doctor specifically prescribes medicated eye drops for a condition like glaucoma or severe dry eye. In those cases, follow their instructions exactly, but avoid adding over-the-counter medicated drops to your routine without discussing it first. For the best results, you do not need to eat all 4 foods every single night. Instead, try combining 2 or 3 of them into a simple bedtime routine. My favorite combination is half a cup of Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of sunflower seeds and 2 chopped dates. This gives you probiotics, antioxidants, and the natural compounds that support overnight eye repair. If you prefer something simpler, just 1 banana with a small handful of sunflower seeds provides potassium for eye pressure regulation and vitamin E for antioxidant protection. The key is consistency rather than perfection. Choose the combination that you enjoy and can stick with for at least 2 to 3 weeks, which is how long it typically takes to notice improvements in night vision. Let me recap what we have covered today. 4 simple bedtime snacks can help protect and improve your night vision as you age. Sunflower seeds provide vitamin E and minerals that transport vitamin A to your eyes. Plain Greek yogurt reduces inflammation and supports the muscles that control light entering your eyes. Dates offer polyphenols and compounds that help you see better in low light while supporting healthy sleep. And bananas regulate eye pressure while helping your body produce natural melatonin. Remember to protect your eyes during the day with proper UV-blocking sunglasses and be cautious about using medicated eye drops without professional guidance. Which of these tips will you try first tonight? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one and love hearing about your experiences. If this information was helpful, consider subscribing for more practical health tips designed specifically for staying strong and independent as we age.